How to remove an email account from Gmail app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually remove your email account from Gmail app on your Android phone. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to remove the email account from the Gmail application, it's very simple, but you have to understand that you will not be able to just log out from the Gmail application, as the Gmail app itself does not have a sign out or a logout feature. So in order to just go ahead and remove one of the accounts, let's say from this list, you can see I have multiple accounts added on my Gmail. You have to remove those accounts from your device itself. So in order to do that, just go ahead and then launch the settings application. Once you launch the settings application, go to the option that says accounts and backups. So in your case, it could be written as only accounts or manage accounts and so on. But I will just select accounts and backup, and at the top you can see manage accounts. So I'll just select manage accounts over here, and you'll see a list of all the email accounts which you've added. So if you want to remove an account from your Gmail, you have to remove one of the accounts over here. So just go ahead and select the account that you want to remove. I'll just select any of these, and what I will do is tap on remove account and tap on the remove account button at the bottom. Once you do that, when you come back to Gmail, you can see that particular account has simply just disappeared. And this is simply how you can remove email account from Gmail app on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.